Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to take you inside our makeup bag factory in Makeup Bag, China, where we create a stunning range of Chinese makeup bags and Chinese cosmetic bags. Our commitment to quality and innovation sets us apart as a leading cosmetic bag manufacturer. At our cosmetic pouch factory, we focus on designing functional yet stylish bags that cater to a variety of needs. Whether you're looking for a chic Chinese makeup bag for your daily essentials or a spacious Chinese cosmetic bag for travel, we have something for everyone. Each product reflects our dedication to high standards and modern design. Let's talk about our cosmetic bag production process. Every step is carefully monitored to ensure that we use only the finest materials. Our team of skilled artisans works diligently at our cosmetic bag factory to create durable, stylish products that our customers love. Quality is our top priority, and we conduct thorough checks to ensure each bag meets our exacting standards. For those interested in personalization, your customized bag factory offers Chinese bags custom services. This allows you to design unique bags that reflect your style or brand identity. Our expertise as a customized bag manufacturer means we can handle a wide range of requests, from specific colors to unique patterns.